I'm doing a dry run on a project I have coming up, kind of working out a couple of bugs so that I'll have the right materials and fasteners. And I came across a tool in my nail bags, a spring-loaded nail set. Now, for those of you who have seen these, just fast forward or go on or stop watching. But I was a pretty seasoned carpenter when I first saw one of these. I saw a painter on one of my jobs up on a ladder with some crown molding, filling nail holes, and he ran across a pin that was just a little bit proud. As finished carpenters, we want to make sure we set our nails, but every now and then we miss one. With these great nail guns, they got dial-in mechanical depth. It's really hard to mess up. But every now and then you have the depth set for a softer material and you go to a harder one, you forget to adjust. And so you pull out your hammer and one of your 3 nail sets, you got the proper size for the fastener and you tap it in. Works perfect 99% of the time. Occasionally you slip a little bit, you widen the hole. Nothing, no big deal, it can be filled, but you know, you'd like to avoid that if possible. Well, the painter, when I talked to my friend who owned the paint company and had all of the employees work for him, he said he was not going to have his painters with hammers and nail sets. Apparently he had some bad experiences, it cost him a little money. So he found these and supplied them, and so I tried one out and they are fantastic, and it's pretty much the only way I set nails now. Now the way it works is, it looks like a regular nail set, but it's spring loaded. It's like 2 of them loaded into a spring, and it just pounds. And so you just, obviously, I'm not typically working on the bench like this. It'll be a nice piece of trim on a door that I want to, you know, that's a shaped piece and I'm right on an edge. Really don't want to bang it up. And this works perfect. So you just basically pick the tip, you know, it's got a pointy end and it's got a little bit flatter, and you pick the one that works best for the fastener tab, and you just put it right on top of it, just like you would with your nail set. You hold it, 1-2 taps, sets it right in. All right, again, I know a lot of you have probably seen these, but I was pretty happy when I found out about them, so I just wanted to take a minute and share this tool with you. I'm sure they still have these. You probably buy them in any paint store or tool store, your lumber yard. But I will look these up online. And if I can find them, I'll put them in my Amazon store, which there will be a link down below. Hey, if you like these quick tool tip videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I drop a new video. But most important, share the channel with others so I can grow my subscriber base. Also, if you want a set of Paulk workbench plans, total station plans, or smart woodshop plans, you can also click on the link right here at the end of this video or in the description down below. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.